almost a matter of shock. I mean, my wife and I were both up, and we were sort of trembling. We couldn't believe what we were seeing, because normally we do stay in Venice quite a lot, and we see the cruise ships going up and down the canal, and normally, you know, they're going quite slowly, it's quite under control. And just to see this thing out of control was just, you know, it was almost literally unbelievable.